Now we'll perform stepwise regression on our salary survey data. So I'll head back to my data here, analyze regression, HP linear regression. Set it up the same as we did before. Could have modified the old task, but I decided not to, so that I'll just keep that in my process flow so I can go back to it later if I want. Add in each of the effects here. Go to selection, and this time choose stepwise selection. So stepwise selection is this method that can go forward and backward. It can add or subtract variables from our model. But it has one disadvantage that you're going to see in our output here, which is that it only looks one step ahead. So down here we've got our model that was chosen, has years of experience and major, but only those two. The adjusted R-squared of 89% is lower than the one of 91% that we were able to find with 4 variables in the model. So what went wrong here? What went wrong is that in order to minimize the Schwarz-Bayes criterion, our procedure, our model selection procedure actually had to move 2 steps into the future. Had to add GPA and I forget the other variable. So let's force stepwise selection to do this better. We're going to go into, there we go, gender code. Gender is our other variable. So if we go back into selection here, we're modifying our procedure. If we force GPA into our model, what this does is it forces stepwise regression, stepwise selection, to always include GPA as a variable. So it'll start with a model that's got GPA in the model and continue from there. Okay, so let's hit run. You can see here step 0 includes our intercept, our base model, plus GPA. And then we add, in step 1, years of experience, step 2, major, step 3, gender, in each case the Schwarz-Bayes criterion and the adjusted R-squared are improving, and we get to the model that we had already identified as being best, the one with those 4 variables, each of the variables excluding usefulness. So what this shows is how useful it can be to play around with the model, force various variables into the model. We can end up finding potentially better models than just using our automated stepwise selection technique.